I think that's first ever invite at a +20 on the Druid. I should have probably done something. Somebody's key. There we go. Oops, says the other Druid. Do I wanna know? Oh, we don't have Lust. Oh, great. Nice interrupt.
Dispel.
We keep getting... Yeah, that might be a quick break, man.
One spawned.
The Rook is not interested to interrupt. There we go. Alright. That's not even the hard trash, but whatever.
Three, two, one.
Great. I'll be convoking for healing since these guys are... Oh my god. Yep. Exactly as I predicted. I'm afraid to go into cat form. This guy's just chilling in Sanguine.
Three, two, one.
Two spawned.
What was that? The hell? Oh, he just ate the freaking... And he releases. Alright. 2,800 people. I mean, I eat the frontal too sometimes. Oh no. Is the Rogue going to make it? Let's buff him.
Run away.
He made it, boys. Imagine.
Three, two.
Come on!
Two spawned.
What is this guy? He dies again? Not yet.
Three, two, one.
AOE incoming.
Alright, that was slow, but we'll take it.
Off healing active.
Run away.
2, 1.
Alright, so far. So bad. So the monk that was supposedly a tank. He is a 3k, right? But he stopped DPS. And then the chicken is doing tank damage. That's not gonna be important on this key anyway, but still. Can you cast the speed roar into chicken form? When do I get scared? Now? Now. Now is a good time. Oh, he is going in.
Shockwave.
Am I dead? Nope. Not yet. How did he die?
Shockwave.
King Blitz. No interrupts. Go figure. Like, we know that not gonna be on par. Oh, he released now. Oh my god. Why did you wait for so long and then you release?
Shockwave. Shockwave.
Boggers. Okay, we made it here.
2, 1.
There's still a couple of bad pulls. Oh, come on, don't pull aggro.
Off healing active.
Watch your feet.
Where is this guy? Oh no! I'm convoking to heal again.
Shockwave.
No, 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 no.
Shockwave.
Let's do that.
Watch your feet.
These guys are dead. They're also line of sight.
Watch your feet.
Okay, I could have played this better.
Two spawned.
Shockwave.
Oh no. Do I run back? Yes, I run back.
Shockwave.
Where is that weak aura that was assigning the CCs? I don't see it popping up. It was popping up for some classes. So we have plenty of stuns here. Or maybe... I don't think it pops only for you. Maybe I should have waited for a res, by the way. Maybe not.
Three, two, one.
Two spawned.
Target you.
Three,
Laser on you.
one.
Run. Run out.
Three, two, one.
One spawned.
Bro.
Watch your feet. Watch your step.
Oh no, how did... Okay, has aggro on them?
Shockwave.
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 Two,
More shockwaves.
one.
Two spawned.
Shockwave. Dispel.
Can we kill the shockwaves?
Shockwave.
Nope, we'll just leave them out there. Why bother?
Shockwave.
Oh, this one is close now.
Enrage. Shockwave.
Oh, it's always on the tank? Is it?
Shockwave.
I didn't know that. No, it's not.
Three, two, one.
One spawned.
Why are the monks not seeing this, by the way?
Shockwave. 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 Dispel. Shockwave.
These guys are horrible.
Shockwave. Shockwave.
Probably the healer's fault. Just saying.
Shockwave.
3, 2,
Oh
1.
no.
1 spawned.
Shockwave. Dispel.
I will dispel you if I
Shockwave.
can.
Shockwave. Shockwave. Shockwave.
That's not how I imagined my first 20, but ooh.
Shockwave.
But it is what it is.
Shockwave.
2,
Let's see, maybe they learned. Maybe they will CC.
1.
I'm watching. Oh shit.
Enrage.
Oops. What? How? How? What is going on? Did you see that? What the actual hell? Oh, I'm making some content out of this. Stupid game. Thank you. I'll petition Blizzard to give me back my 50 gold for repairs. The hell? Too good it's Black Rook called the boys. For the first 20, I guess that was a good choice.
Three, two, one.
Target you.
2 spawned.
I don't know where the other one is. It's over here.
Target you.
Is my tongue getting one shot here? Why is the Rook taking damage when he's not?
Three, two,
Watch your
one.
feet.
Oh, easy going, boys.
Target you.
I'm so dead. He's so dead.
Three, two, one.
Ooh, no Swiftman. Can we kill these, please? Thank you.
Knocking back.
3, 2, 1.
What is... Better not know. Is it chicken again? I'll stay here. Just in case. Oh, the chicken doesn't have a debuff.
Knocking back.
Off healing active.
Spread.
3, 2, 1.
Knocking back.
1 spawned.
I'm not in cat form. Great. This guy's not moving. Ba-da-dum.
Watch your step. Watch your step. Watch your step.
2, 1.
2 spawned.
Watch your step.
Can I keep doing this? I guess I can. Oh no.
Watch your feet. Watch your feet.
Oh, we're going slow now?
Watch your step.
Three, 2, 1.
Watch your step.
2 spawned.
Watch your step. Watch your feet. Watch your step. Watch your feet. Watch your feet.
Alright, so I guess I just halt everybody here and chill. Lol, sir.
Watch your step.
3, 2, 1.
Control, Shift, and Alt. That was the keybind, right? Ignore that buff thing. I hope I don't ignore something else.
This is not my ancestors. Ilisana. No.
AOE incoming.
3, 2,
Ooh,
1.
1 spawned.
this guy didn't get the memo. Control, Shift, click, right click. There we go. We made it. Okay, that's a bit cleaner now.
Watch your step. Keep moving.
Where is it? I mean, we have monks, I don't care.
Safe now.
We're safe now.
Three, two, one.
Bro. Convolting for damage. Screw it. Yay! First 20 on the Druid! Let's go! Cat form! And 50 gold. 50 gold is always good. Let's see. Legs. We're not interested. Back. We're, I guess, not interested. GG, thank you. Alright. We did 33k damage, which is a lot considering that I was not going to get form. I was so scared the whole time. And then we did some healing, I guess. Fair enough. Yay! 1 portal, boys. 6 to go, right? It's not 7, but it's lots of dungeons. Alright. I'm happy. I'm happy.